Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to format a table in Publisher to fit on one page. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a affinity Publisher document. Now we want to insert table and format this table fit on one page. Go to the window menu and enable the pages section. Now we can see here show the all page at once. Then we go to a blank page. Now we want to fit one page table. Go to the tools section and select the table tools. Then draw the table, fit the pages. Now we can see we draw a table fit to the page very easily. You can add extra row or column. Now I added some rows. Select this arrow and we can see here available the 4 rows. You can add or remove row, write anything. Now I add 6 rows. Columns, select 6, then press enter on our keyboard. Then select the move tool. You can change the color or format another ways. Select this table cell, click and drag on our mouse. Then enable the table section and we can see here the fill color. You can change the fill color. Now I select any color and choose all border. Then select the table outline. Now I select the black color, red color, then choose all. Then click outside of the table, then select the move tool. Now we can see we format a table fit on the page very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.